Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a new update for those of you that use Google Slides. So there is now an improved presenter toolbar. If you would like, you can go to your Google Slide deck, click on Present. When it goes into that presenting mode in the lower left corner, you're going to see a new toolbar. Instead of it being that really long black bar, it is now going to be this smaller gray bar. You'll still have all the same features that you had before. If you click the little three dots or the vertical ellipses there to the right of the counter, you'll be able to go into the menu. Up at the top, you'll see that you can open your speaker notes, turn on the laser pointer, exit your full screen, which personally, if I'm on my keyboard, I usually just use the escape key. Stop presenting will do the same kind of thing. It'll exit and get into that basic mode. Autoplay options, so if you'd like to click those on or change those up while you're presenting, you can. You've got your caption preferences to turn them on and off, as well as text position and size. And then underneath more, you'll see that you have the Q&A option, download as a PDF or PowerPoint, print, shortcuts and such. So just wanted to show you that new feature that when you are in present mode, you've now got that same piece here that you're used to using, but a little bit more compact. If you click on the number, you'll see that it will allow you to go to the specific slide that you want to go to, as opposed to just clicking through with the arrows to the number. And with that, this is Gary the Google Guy with a brand new update for Google Slides, signing off.